Good morning, everyone. My name is Tom Hodong. Today, I would like to talk about contemporary pop music. Contemporary popular music culture is a dynamic reflection of societal change and technological innovations, with artists measuring style to create fresh sounds that appeal to diverse audience. Social media plays a vital role in enabling artists to connect directly with fans and share their work globally. Popular music culture is a powerful platform for social commentary, addressing issues such as art, identity, and inequality. Ultimately, fosters fosters community di- and dialogue, make it making it a vital aspect on modern life.